If you guys are interested in seeing what all I got in this bag, then keep watching.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore.
What's up, guys? I'm Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about another fitness line that I have fell in love with. And guess who it is? Lorna Jane.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Well, there you have it. That is what I purchased. Those are some of just the few items that I got, and I'm sure I'm gonna buy some more. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Please, please, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And that, folks, is a wrap.